Hi guys, it's Sierra from Lawrence Mitsubishi. Today I'm going to be talking about the auto hold feature if your vehicle comes equipped with it. Once you hop in your vehicle and you're ready to drive, if you're wanting to use the auto hold feature, the button's located right here. Once you press it, it'll light up orange, which means it'll be on. It will also light up green on your dash. As you can see right there, it says auto hold. This feature is very handy for if you want to stay at rest temporarily and not have your foot constantly sitting on the brake. For instance, let's say you're at a stoplight and it's taking a while for it to be your turn. If you're in a drive-through like a pharmacy, Starbucks, anything that's taking a while and you want to stay put with not having your foot on the brake. This is very handy because it will not move until you push on the gas and you are ready to move. While you're in motion, the auto hold icon will not be illuminated. It will not be illuminated until you brake and come to a complete stop and press firmly down on the brake. The auto hold icon will illuminate green, which will mean that you are free to take your foot off the brake and it will not go anywhere. It will not move until you press back on the gas, which will let the vehicle know that you're ready to move. And that's how you use the auto hold feature if your vehicle has it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and also hit that like and subscribe button as well. Thank you for watching.